board! Damn it!
Ingredients: butter, sugar, heavy cream. That's all.